The deep sea, often described as humanity's final frontier, is an immense, mysterious realm that remains vastly unexplored. Despite covering over 70% of Earth's surface, more than 80% of the ocean remains a mystery, far beyond the reach of human explorers. This vast expanse, stretching from the surface to depths greater than 36,000 feet, in places like the Mariana Trench, holds secrets so profound that scientists have only scratched the surface. So, why is the deep sea considered humanity's final frontier? 1. The unimaginable depths. The deep sea is home to some of the most extreme environments on Earth. As you descend beneath the waves, the temperature drops to near freezing, and the pressure intensifies. At the deepest points, the pressure is over 1,000 times what we experience at sea level. This creates an environment that's incredibly hostile to human life. At these crushing depths, even the toughest materials begin to buckle, and human divers are limited to around 1,000 meters. However, these depths are where some of the most alien-like creatures exist, and where technologies like autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, and robotic submersibles are pushing the boundaries of exploration. 2. Unseen ecosystems and life forms. Life in the deep sea is unlike anything we encounter on land. Creatures in these depths have evolved in isolation for millions of years, adapting to conditions that seem impossible to survive. Some animals, like bioluminescent fish, giant squids, and deep-sea jellyfish, have unique abilities, such as glowing in the dark or withstanding extreme pressures. Others have developed specialized features, like elastic bodies to survive crushing depths, or slow metabolisms to thrive in food-scarce environments. Yet, new species are still being discovered, many of which remain completely unknown to us. Each dive into the deep brings forth something that challenges our understanding of life on Earth. In 2025 alone, deep-sea explorers discovered undiscovered life forms and ecosystems that were completely hidden from the human eye. 3. A treasure trove of resources. The deep sea is also thought to contain vast, untapped resources. Beneath its surface lies an immense wealth of minerals, including precious metals, rare earth elements, and oil deposits that could play a pivotal role in the future of humanity's resource needs. As the world turns toward sustainable energy sources, the deep ocean is home to underwater hydrothermal vents, which may contain energy-rich minerals that could power future technologies. Moreover, deep-sea pharmaceutical compounds from MarineLife, such as sponges and corals, hold promise for treating diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and bacterial infections. The biochemistry of these organisms could unlock miraculous medical breakthroughs that could save millions of lives. 4. Climate change and ocean health. The deep sea plays a critical role in regulating the Earth's climate. It absorbs vast amounts of carbon dioxide, helping mitigate the effects of global warming. The ocean's currents circulate heat across the globe, affecting weather patterns, fish migration, and even human societies. However, the deep sea is increasingly threatened by human activity. Rising temperatures, ocean acidification, and overfishing are just a few of the dangers facing marine life. Understanding the deep ocean is crucial to preserving the health of our planet and ensuring the sustainability of ecosystems and resources. 5. Technological and scientific challenges. Exploring the deep ocean requires cutting-edge technology. The pressure, cold temperatures, and darkness are obstacles that make human exploration nearly impossible without the assistance of robotic technology. Over the years, breakthroughs like autonomous vehicles, deep-sea drones, and sonar mapping have allowed us to chart the ocean floor and explore habitats at depths once thought unreachable. The deep-sea submersible, designed for these kinds of expeditions, must be built to withstand extreme conditions. It requires specialized materials such as titanium and synthetic diamonds to cope with the immense pressure. Additionally, as these machines venture deeper, they need AI-powered navigation systems that can make real-time decisions and adapt to unforeseen obstacles. Yet, despite the progress, only a fraction of the ocean's depths have been mapped. The journey to fully understand the deep sea, much like space, will take decades, if not centuries, of exploration. 6. Human curiosity and the quest for knowledge. The deep ocean is often compared to outer space. Both are vast, remote, and largely unexplored. Just as we have launched space probes to study distant planets, We are now sending submarines and UVs to explore the ocean's depths. The difference: the deep sea is much closer, yet remains just as mysterious. As human beings, we are driven by the innate desire to explore the unknown. We've explored the surface of the moon, but the deep sea, our very own planet, remains largely a mystery. It's a place that forces us to confront the limits of our technology, our curiosity, and our understanding of life itself. 7. The deep sea as the last frontier for conservation. In addition to its scientific and resource value, the deep sea is also a place of profound conservation importance. Many species in these depths are extremely vulnerable to disturbances from mining, fishing, and pollution. As we explore this alien world, we must also learn how to protect it. The deep ocean is not just a source of resources. It is a delicate ecosystem that plays a critical role in the Earth's overall health. Protecting it will require a new wave of marine conservation efforts, using AI, robotics, and global collaboration. 8. The limitations of human presence. No human has ever gone to the Mariana Trench's deepest point without the aid of machines. Our bodies are simply not designed to survive the crushing pressure or the bone-chilling cold. This is why the deep sea remains so alien to us. It's a world where technology, rather than human exploration, leads the way. Despite this, humans still push to understand it, because we instinctively know that understanding the ocean can help us understand ourselves, our place in the world, the history of life on Earth, and even the possibility of life on other planets. 9. Exploring the abyss. The road ahead. The deep sea remains an untapped frontier, a place where mystery, discovery, and innovation collide. It's here that the future of marine conservation, resource exploration, and scientific discovery will unfold. As technology advances, we're beginning to understand how life can flourish in the most extreme environments. The deep sea may hold answers to questions we haven't even thought to ask yet. But only by venturing further, using advanced robotics and AI, will we truly be able to unlock the deepest secrets of our planet. Conclusion: the deep sea is humanity's final frontier, not because it's the last unexplored place, but because it challenges our very notion of exploration. It's a world that forces us to confront our limits and pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Dive. With each dive, each new discovery, we're reminded of how much is still out there waiting to be found. And perhaps, in the process, we'll also find a deeper connection to the world around us, and a greater responsibility to protect the oceans that sustain us.